Hey everybody, welcome to Cars and Crypto, and today I decided to bring you guys a new show. Thanks everyone that has been subscribed. I have put some videos out last year. That was cool. I got some thousands of views and some subscribers, but then I got away from it. I was embarrassed looking at my old videos and stuff. That's something weird about seeing yourself on camera, so I deleted that shit. Anyways, I'm back in it, here to say, fuck your crypto analysis video. I see so much bullshit out there. Everybody's got his fucking crypto analysis, blah, blah, blah. Listen, no games over here. I'm going to give you the technical analysis on my USD tether pairs that I trade. I'll give you this very simple, straight to the point, guys. Technical analysis, this is how we do it for cryptocurrency. So, a couple rules just to get you started. You always use log charts. Alright, let's jump right into it with Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin formed a descending channel since December, since the all-time high in December. And we pretty much remained in that channel all the way until the middle of April, I think around 420. Yeah, around 420, we start to break that channel. Now, since then, since we broke out of the bearish channel, now we've formed a symmetrical triangle. We've just recently bounced off the lower support / boundary of the symmetrical triangle. So here on the daily chart, this is the area that I'm talking about. And I'm going to talk to you guys about some of the reversal patterns that have been morphing and coming up since about May 28th. So as you can see here, from a daily perspective, you have a bullish engulfing. A bullish engulfing, I'm not going to get into all that, okay? You have a bullish engulfing on May 29th. This is a big signal to the technical trader. Now, when you jump down to the 4-hour, now guys, this is the triangle here, just to give you the perspective. This is the most recent bounce, and you can see we formed a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now, we did break out of that head and shoulders, but it was not sustained. We came back. We retested the upper boundary of this declining resistance area. And now we formed sort of a cup and sort of a handle. And now we've got rejected at resistance again at 7,800. I would say a good long entry would be around $7,801. This is not financial advice, guys, so do your own research, lose your own money, make your own money, whatever. I hope that I help you learn something about trading. So a bit of a cup and handle sort of forming here on Bitcoin, and we'll see what happens. But you do have resistance, 7,800 bucks. A good long entry would be right around there. ADA. By the way, I have no idea what a lot of these altcoins do. I'm very knowledgeable on Bitcoin, but all these altcoins, I think they're bullshit. Obviously, there's a few that I actually like, but I'm just trading the charts, guys. I'm not trading any fundamentals at all. And most of these coins, I have no idea what their purpose is or anything at all. So, getting into ADA, similar story here. You have a descending bear channel. You form a symmetrical triangle at the very bottom, and pow pow, you had a nice little run up. Now we've come back. We're starting to make a level here. This doesn't really look good. ADA, the prognosis does not look good, guys. I thought a couple days ago that we were sort of getting possibly into some bullish formation. So now that I drill down on the 4-hour, but it's just not looking great for ADA, guys. Ethereum. Back to daily. You always want to start out with the higher time frames, guys. Same story. Bear channel. I call this pattern here the handle and cup. You know, it's sort of incomplete head and shoulders inverse head and shoulders pattern that breaks out before the right shoulder can be formed. So nice there. There was a bit of a wedge and a wedge was happening here, but that's not the point. Right now, what do you see? This is a similar pattern to the Bitcoin price action over the last few days. And if you watch these charts a lot, you're going to notice that these a lot of these coins are highly correlated. But here's your head and shoulders again. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now, the neckline, I think, was a bit of a descending neckline. Either way, it looks like we're sort of, maybe we're creating a symmetrical triangle right now. And you'll know when you start getting to the tip of that, sort of, that's shitty. No good entry on Ethereum until we break the $630 level. Bitcoin Cash. Head and shoulders again. Boom, boom, boom. Now in this case, you break the right shoulder as you sort of have broken the bear trend. Or the bear channel. I'm not saying that's a trend. But you're breaking the channel, okay? And you're breaking the head and shoulders neckline on the same day. This is a good sign. Now you're forming this triangle here. We'll see what happens. You know, so you're using this this information that you're getting on all the different time frames to inform your positions, inform when you're going to get long, when you're going to take profit, and how you're going to manage your stop loss in between. So confusing price action, I would say, for Bitcoin Cash, but again, another nice entry above 12.19. Ripple. Use the exchange that you trade on, guys. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Not a lot more to say, guys. Not a lot more to say about all this. Head, shoulder, head. I mean, shoulder, head, shoulder. Retest of the shoulder. I mean, the moon is next. You do have these moving averages here creeping up, but you have the falling wedge. The target of the falling wedge is the high contained within the wedge. So 0.926 is your target. Current price 0.7. Great move. 30% move possible there in Ripple. Tron. Weird looking chart. Opportunity for a short play under 552 or so. Altcoin. Awesome. So I got long Altcoin a couple days ago. Right here. Inverse head and shoulders once again, guys. Watch. Shoulder, head, shoulder, buy. You buy when that neckline breaks, guys. Where's your target for a head and shoulder? Let me show you real quick. You measure head, tip of the head to the neckline. You move that from the breakout. Your target somewhere around 0.02 Bitcoin. You have some resistance here though. You have your 200 period moving average on the 4 hour, and then you have both. Yeah, so you have that on the 4 hour there. Possible you're forming a larger handle and cup or a head and shoulders pattern, with this being your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder to come. This would be your neckline at 212, but that's a little down the road. That's a little more forward looking. Neo. Falling wedge, guys. Not looking good. Not looking good in terms of sustainability. So you would go long at 58.67. No buy has been triggered on Neo. I'm not going to go short. Falling wedge. You got to know your chart patterns, guys. Falling wedge. Bullish. OMG. A break of the channel. A head and shoulders pattern as well. So that's the daily. Let's go to the 4 hours so you can see it. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, you could buy on the breakout here at $11. Now, hopefully you would have played that smart on the 4 hour and took some profits somewhere around here. Nothing too major, but you could have pulled off 5% on this trade. Or if you have a little bit longer time horizon, you're looking to either keep your long position from $11 or go long again in the $12.50 range. Dash. Sorry guys, got the sniffles. Confusing chart to read. Head and shoulders though. 4 hour. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Breakout. A break of 335 is going to get me back in dash from a long view. Verge, XVG. No idea what these coins do, guys. No idea. Literally no idea. Inverse head and shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, where do you want to go long? This, to me, is more of a significant neckline. I'm going to go long 447. Monero. Same pattern here, guys. Look. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It's almost visible from the daily. Where do you go long? When you break that neckline, guys. 178. Litecoin. Same pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Where do you go long? Hope you guys are figuring this out. Let's go to the 4 hour on Litecoin. Okay, falling wedge. It's broken out. Where's my target of a falling wedge? The highest point in the wedge. 180 or so. Looking for a 50% move in Litecoin. If we see some volume pick up and some buyers step in. Ethereum Classic. ETC. Falling wedge. Once again, forming a bullish reversal pattern. We're having some struggle for these reversal patterns to actually break out properly. But that's okay. Some of them are morphing into cups and handles. And we'll see what happens. But once we break those critical levels, in the case for Ethereum Classic 1665, we're going to know to get long. Decred. Pretty new coin to having a tether pair. Decred. You had a nice level of resistance right here past few days. So a good opportunity to go long. 106.21 with a current stop at 92.55 if you feel like taking a bit of a gamble. Bitcoin Gold. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Here's your neckline, and here's where you get long. Falling wedge, once again. Your target, $64. Current price, $43. So great opportunity with Bitcoin Gold. Zcash. Almost done, guys. I think just one more crypto. Zcash. Nothing. Nothing there. You can go short. A break of 214 to the downside is a short, very clear short play in terms of what to do from now. Now, of course, I'm telling you how to play how you could play these right now. Let's go in NXT. But I'm in positions, guys. I'm in positions. Let's go to the 4 hour. Shoulder, head, shoulder. You can go long right here. This is a nice trade that you're still in. A little more reliable entry is going to be at 151. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it a lot. I'm going to try to bring you more reviews, more crypto technical analysis. I can go a little more in depth. I want to keep these videos under 15 minutes because that's a good time frame for me. I don't have a lot of free time, so I'm squeezing this in. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter, Cars and Crypto. Give a share to your friends. If you're offended by anything I said, if you're running one of those other crypto shows that are total dog shit with bullshit news and bullshit, it's like total bullshit. The technical charts, the technical analysis, this is the way to trade your cryptos, guys. So if you're running one of these other shows, give me a thumbs down, because fuck you. But if you appreciate what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. Pow, pow, pow. So thanks again, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Peace.